Hi, it's me, Vicki, again, and in today's video I'm going to speak to you in English only, and we're going to look at something and nothing. So, something is positive or interrogative, or it could be anything, so something or anything positive, interrogative. Nothing is negative only. Okay, so I'm going to read out some questions and answers. Question, interrogative, positive answer, and negative answer. Okay, so number one. Do you want something to eat? Yes, I want something to eat. No, I don't want anything to eat. Number two. Do they know anything about Pedro? Do they know anything about Pedro? Yes, they know something. Yes, they know something. No, they do not know anything. No, they do not know anything. Number three. Have they told you about the house? Yes, they have told me something. Yes, they have told me something. No, they have not told me anything. No, they have not told me anything. Number four. Did you understand anything in English? Did you understand anything in English? Yes, I understood something. Yes, I understood something. No, I didn't understand anything. No, I didn't understand anything. Number five. Are you going to buy something? Are you going to buy something? Yes, I'm going to buy something. Yes, I'm going to buy something. No, I'm not going to buy anything. No, I'm not going to buy anything. Number six. Have you seen anything? Have you seen anything? Yes, I have seen something. Yes, I have seen something. No, I haven't seen anything. No, I haven't seen anything. Number seven. Have you done anything this week? Have you done anything this week? Yes, I've done something. Yes, I have done something. No, I haven't done anything. No, I haven't done anything. Number 8. Did you buy anything yesterday? Did you buy anything yesterday? Yes, I bought something. Yes, I bought something. No, I didn't buy anything. No, I didn't buy anything. Number 9. Did he cook anything for you? Did he cook anything for you? Yes, he cooked something for me. Yes, he cooked something for me. No, he didn't cook anything for me. No, he didn't cook anything for me. Number 10. Did you make anything for him? Did you make anything for him? Yes, I made something for him. Yes, I made something for him. No, I didn't make anything for him. No, I didn't make anything for him. Number 11. Has she written anything? Has she written anything? No, she hasn't written anything. No, she hasn't written anything. Yes, she has written something. Yes, she has written something. Number 12. Did they break anything at the party? Did they break anything at the party? No, they didn't break anything. No, they didn't break anything. Yes, they did break something. Yes, they did break something. Number 13. Do you see anything? Do you see anything? Yes, I see something. Yes, I see something. No, I don't see anything. No, I don't see anything. Number 14. Do you want anything? Do you want anything? Yes, I want something. Yes, I want something. No, I don't want anything. No, I don't want anything. Number 15. Did you remember anything? Did you remember anything? Yes, I remembered something. Yes, I remembered something. No, I didn't remember anything. No, I didn't remember anything. Okay, that's it. I hope you understood that okay. Remember to give a thumbs up on the video if you found it useful. I'll see you very soon in the next video, and until then, may your God go with you. Bye. Thank you.